rich.
Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl, Ratchet Tracy, side chick president. Guess who up in the goddamn building is we? We is in the building tonight. Who said it couldn't happen? Who said it wouldn't be? Huh? Follow me, follow me. White rabbit, that's what it be. Yo. We finna get live. It's gonna get live. You know what I'm saying? Me. Okay, let me stop playing. But check us out at the living room. Somebody let me come in their living room. Yeah, I don't know why the fuck they let me come in their living room. Bitch, cause I'ma be a ratchet guest.
Look.
Y'all ready for the ratchet guests today? So you think they ready? I don't think they ready. You ain't ready?
No.
Ratchet Tracy is in the building and is. Don't sleep on her. Nah, baby. Don't sleep on her. At all. I'm coming in here, you understand me? Like, yo. You hear me? I can hang with the best too. I can, y'all. I really can.
Look,
I didn't think I was gonna get in. That's why I'm so excited, y'all. I thought they said it was sold out and we wasn't even gonna be able to come, but y'all, we was able to come. So like, I'm excited about that. I got in, yes, auntie, yes. You know what I'm saying? So thank you, boo. Thank y'all. It's your girl Ratchet Tracy. I'm on these Hood Chronicles tonight. And is y'all. Follow White Rabbit. Y'all tell them. Follow White Rabbit. I'm not the White Rabbit, but follow that motherfucker. Period. Fire. Higher.
Yeah, how we got in?
Y'all, we ain't know how we got in. I'm telling y'all, man, look. We was nervous, y'all. We sit up here asking all kind of people like, hey, we trying to get to this concert tonight. We trying to get to the OTB Fast Lane. What's the nigga name? OTB Fast Lane, right? Baby, we was trying to get to the concert and they was like, tickets was sold out. Woo-de-woo. Y'all listen, man. We was like, man, we gonna go steal. Hey, y'all, hey. Bitch, we said we gonna go steal, huh, friend?
Yeah.
Come say hey to the live.
Hello world, it's the plug's daughter or whatever. Y'all see, let's get into this hair.
Not the hair.
Let's get into it.
We switched up the hair on y'all, Levy. You heard me?
Yeah.
Come on, show that fit out. Show that fit out. Show that fit out.
Yeah.
Period. We at the living room, bitch. We finna keep our shoes on in the living room. Then it's up, when it's up, when it's up, when it's up.
Hey.
Then it's stuck.
Hey.
Yo.
Hey. Hey. Oh.
Hey.
Getting our last little 5 minutes of ratchet, and it's okay to be ratchet.
When it's up, then it's up, when it's up, then it's stuck, when it's then it's stuck, and it's stuck. Hey.
Hey.
Turn up. Bitch, we turned up in the bathroom, y'all. That's ratchet in the motherfucker. It's your girl, Ratchet.
That's where it go down there.
Say, y'all, we ratchet in the mud. We sitting in the cold having a party in the bathroom. Shout out to all the ratchet people that party in the bathroom.
Yes.
Hey, y'all, hey.
Hey. Hey, friends, hey.
Yes. Oh, she come on, friend. I'm waiting on you to come say hey to the people.
Yeah.
You. I thought you was finishing. You already said hey.
I already peed.
No, I said hey, hey.
Look, the sound is
Come on, say hey, bitch. Let them know we in the building.
Hey.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ratchet Tracy in the building.
OTB fast lane.
Why they down?
On me. Ratchet Tracy in the building, baby. Listen, we all got a little ratchet in us, y'all. Free your mind. Free your mind, relax your soul. All that. Say, the bathroom go down at the club.
Hey.
Bathroom where the boys show love.
Hey.
The bathroom where they get it and they get it. The bathroom where you hit it, hit it, hit it.
Sound like they hit you,
Hey,
Minnie.
yeah, freestyle queen. I go hard. You know that
Okay,
girl,
yeah.
me and yo. We get it down in the bathroom. We getting it down in the bathroom.
Hey.
Party in the bathroom.
Hey.
Yeah, it's a party in the bathroom.
Hey.
Hey.
Turn over. That's
It's
where
like
it go
for real.
down at. Check the bathroom.
You got to get your crunk up when you in the
Yeah, get the
bathroom.
vibes.
Yes, y'all gotta get the vibe right.
Vibes right.
Then you pump yourself up a little bit, especially when it's a nice bathroom. Let me show y'all. Let me show y'all this bathroom. It's a nice bathroom. They give us a nice little mirror view and shit. You understand? You got the little body mirror right there. You see the full purge. You hear me? The full purge.
Okay. Look at these mirrors. Get into these
Here
mirrors.
it is. So y'all, it's a vibe in the bathroom. It's a vibe in the bathroom.
Hey.
It's a vibe in the bathroom. Get your shit
Hey.
together. Get the vibe in the bathroom.
Hey.
Okay, y'all ready? She's
Bitch, just bars.
She's talking, I know, we having fun shit. Alright, y'all. Peace out.
What mask is that?
Nay, nay.
Why she give a mask?
Yeah, keep it full,
I
girl.
was just fussing about me having to put the bitch on. I just feel like no.
Hey, y'all.